Did you know that 87% of companies still struggle with data maturity? That means you have a massive opportunity to stand out. My name is Santiago Takaronte. I've led data analytics strategies for companies like Virgin, Fly Dubai, and Mondelez. I've helped hundreds of colleagues and professionals advance their careers by teaching them how to utilize data effectively. And now, it's your turn. Join over 30,000 students who've taken the complete data analytics course, a beginner-friendly, no-code program that helps you master how data drives smart business decisions. From day one, you'll step into the role of a CEO, using real data to solve business challenges and build a powerful data-driven mindset. You'll explore the 3 essential types of analytics: descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive, and learn how to turn messy data into clear insights. The course includes over 40 lessons, hands-on projects, and quizzes, all accessible on any device, anytime. No coding needed, just real-world practical skills. If you want to make smarter decisions, speak the language of data, and ultimately grow your career, click Enroll now and join 30,000 learners building one of the most in-demand skills of the decade: analytics.